There's a group of 12 of us put this together. This is supposed to be a garden of a much bigger landscape. This is like a slice through. This would be a croft up somewhere in the Highlands. We've got the screens here on the left that are they're actually windbreaks. They're not on the right scale at the moment. They have to change this down for show garden potential, but the idea being is that they close over when the wind gets up. They protect the garden from the wind. When the wind drops down again, they'll automatically open up again, and they'll give you a view. These also have a manual control to them, so you know, if you just decide that you want a different view, you can just turn them around slightly in the evening time, wherever you like. You can have them exactly where you want them. It's our solution to an age-old problem of the wind damaging gardens. The water comes in from a natural spring, so it's been diverted to come through the garden. We use it as needed. The insects are somewhere to land. They've got the little sort of area here where they can drink, etc. At the back there's a lock-in that goes on into the distance, again from this sort of larger landscape. We've got a sheepskin insulation on the roof. It's a straw build with a lime render. We've used slate on the roof, we've used natural planting, there's a wind turbine out there, there's solar power. You're working with nature, with the land, using what you need and putting it back when you're finished with it. In Scotland we might not have a natural climate for these sort of things. There's things that can be easily grown in Scotland, like tomatoes that are brought in from Holland, etc. Okay, they have the capacity to grow on large scale, but if you want to grow them from yourself, it's quite easy. You can get a greenhouse going, you can get tunnels, etc. You can grow exactly. We need raspberries, strawberries, all the different berries. You can grow a good 70–80% of what you want. A lot of these things can be stored for months. You can get apples. You can cold store apples for weeks upon weeks without needing, you know, and they'll be fine. You can take them out a day or so at the refrigeration and they'll taste as good as they did when they were picked off the tree. Potatoes, the root vegetables, them all. Okay, so salad crops, etc. Not so easy to keep over long term, but let's say you've got to be seasonal about what you do. If you keep things in the right climates, you know, like store them properly, you can keep them right through the winter.